Hi everyone, I will be going over the strategy instruction, Semantic Feature Analysis, or SFA. What is it? Semantic Feature Analysis strategy uses a grid to help children explore how sets of things are related to one another. By completing and analyzing the grid, students are able to see connections, make predictions, and master important concepts. This strategy enhances comprehension and vocabulary skills. This picture is an example of how to set up an SFA grid. There are four main steps that will help you set up and execute the SFA model. The first one is to select a category or topic. In my example, to model this, I will be comparing insects. The second step is to provide students with key vocabulary words and important features related to the topic. Sorry, this was for that last one. As you can see in this example, the vocabulary words are listed down the left-hand column, and the features of the topic are listed across the top row of the chart. Last, you will have students place a plus sign in the matrix when a vocabulary word aligns with a particular feature of the topic. If the word does not align, students may put a minus in the grid. If students are unable to determine a relationship, they may leave it blank or put a question mark. You can use the SFA model before, after, and during grading. How to use it. You can use it individually, in small groups, and as a whole class. In order to model this strategy using this grid, I would have students read an informational book about insects. As they read, I would have them mark down their findings with a plus or minus sign. Then, after reading and completing the matrix, I would have students analyze their completed grid by sharing their observations, discussing differing results, and then write a summary about what they learned. I think this strategy is a very helpful visual task to compare and contrast reading. I like the idea of completing it as you read because I think it's sometimes hard for students to remember facts. For example, the features of an insect. Using the grid also makes it easier to organize their findings. I hope that you guys learned a lot about the semantic feature analysis strategy, and thank you for listening today.